Hello guys, welcome back to Binary Vibe. In this video, we're going to see what is prompt engineering. Prompt engineering is the process of designing and refining prompts to optimize the performance of natural language processing models like GPT. It involves crafting prompts in a way that elicits the desired responses from the model and making adjustments to prompts based on feedback and analysis of the model's output. Prompt engineering can involve several different techniques, including prompt expansion. This involves adding more context or detail to the prompt to provide the model with more information to work with. For example, adding more keywords or phrases related to the topic of the prompt. Prompt reformulation. This involves rephrasing or restructuring the prompt to make it more clear and specific. This can help to reduce ambiguity and make it easier for the model to understand the intent of the prompt. Prompt fine-tuning. This involves adjusting the parameters or settings of the model based on the performance of the model on specific prompts. For example, adjusting the temperature or top K values used during generation. By carefully engineering prompts, developers can optimize the performance of natural language processing model, ensuring that the models generate accurate and relevant responses to a wide range of prompts. This is an important step in the development and deployment of natural language processing applications, as it can greatly improve the user experience and the usefulness of the application. I hope you found this video informative, and if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in comment section. Don't forget to like, follow and subscribe for more such content. Thanks for watching.